Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on a Capcut. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up a Capcut application and simply open up that specific video which you want to make a reverse. So I'm just selecting the previous one, or you guys can use the new project by just tapping on new project and just simply select that specific video which you want to make it reverse. I'm already selecting the previous project. So after selecting that previous specific project, what you have to do is just simply click on that specific video and just simply go to search that specific, swipe right to the like tool section, and here you will be able to see the option which is reverse. Just simply hit this reverse button here. So after coming to reverse, it is like taking some time and it is reversing the video. So after just simply taking for a while, you have to just simply wait until it will complete it to 100%. So after your video will be reversed, and you guys can be able to see our video has been reversed in this way. So I'm just tapping on undo button to just showing you what is the real video and what is the reverse video. Here is the reverse video. You guys can just simply take a look at it, and after just simply undo, and firstly this video is like this, and in this way you guys can just simply get an idea of how you can reverse a video on a Capcut very easily. So I hope this method is fine. Do well, do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.